track your competitors, learn what they are doing right and how you can improve your game to get more subscribers and more views with this one simple trick. Here we go. Hello, I'm Alan Spicer, your YouTube certified expert, and I use a tool from VidIQ that helps me track my competitors. Let's go to the computer. One of the best ways to grow on YouTube is by focusing in on your competition, understanding your niche, and learning from people who have already been there. Maybe even taking advantage of the keyword research that they may have done on certain topics that you would love to participate or communicate or comment on. So what I'm going to do is show you how I track my competitors. Now I use a tool called VidIQ, and one of their core features is this competitors system, in which I can scroll through everything that my competitors have done recently within the niche, all of their videos, what they've done, what their topics are, their latest trending videos, what ones are doing really, really well by view counts, and it's very simple to set up. All you have to do is install the plugin and go to a channel that you feel is in your niche, or you feel that you would be interested in keeping tracks on because it might be able to create content IDs or jumping off points that you could run from. So at this point, I'm looking at Tim Schmoyer's video creators. Now, he's a YouTube educator, he's YouTube certified, and he does tutorials that kind of help you understand how you need to grow a YouTube channel. If I want to trace him as a competitor, I simply click here, right, which is add competitor. He's then added to the list of competitors that is on the right hand side, which includes like Nick Nimmin, TubeBuddy, Roberto Blake, VidIQ, that kind of thing. These don't necessarily have to be your blood feuds. They could just be people that you respect within your niche and that you want to continue to trace. This is the interesting thing. Once you've added, say, 10, 15, 20 competitors, you can then dive into what they've created recently and what could be doing well. So in this week alone, for example, using the filters that are already preset, this week, based on views per hour, right now, the top video is by Think Media, all about huge Amazon affiliate changes. Then there's Content Bug, who's rebranded her channel recently to her own name, Catherine Manning, who's talking about hitting 100,000 subscribers. VidIQ on the new chapter tool that YouTube is using. Brian G. Johnson on how to get more views. The reason why this is so interesting is that you can scroll through, and if you see a phrase or you see a topic or a trend that keeps showing up, you can then see that that seems to be something that everyone in that niche is talking about. So at the moment, I've seen a couple of monetization videos. I've seen a what's up next. I've seen a how to stay motivated video, YouTube mistakes, YouTube channel reviews. So if I was to go through these and I've noticed that a couple of people are talking about the downturn in revenue, maybe I'd want to talk about it. I can then dial it in a little bit more specifically. Say, for example, I wanted to do over the course of a month, and I wanted to do by how many views they've got. This month, Content Bug's done really well on how to start your channel, and then she's also done, so she's done really well in 2 videos there, back to back within a period of time, where one's got nearly 200,000 views within a month and one's got 40,000 views. So maybe I'd want to jump on that topic. In fact, there's now 3 or 4 videos within the top 10. So she's doing quite well in growth at the moment. So maybe I want to lean on what she's doing and consider how she's doing it. Have a look at her thumbnail style. What you can also do is have a look at your competitors and see if there's a consistent thumbnail niche or style or a font type, especially if you're starting at the moment. You might want to add a load of Minecraft thumbnails, for example, and understand how gaming thumbnails would look. Now, why is this tool important? Well, if you know what is blowing up right now, or what is getting, in this case, Content Bug, nearly 400 views per hour, maybe you can create your own content, or maybe you can jump on a trend just as it goes up. You can throw your idea into the mix of your niche and get known, or maybe even get some slush traffic from their video doing fantastically well and you being suggested up against it. You can also click on top keywords at the top. VidIQ will have a look at all of the videos and pull together a list of top keywords based on those videos, based on your competitors and what they're using. And you can have a look at the keywords and see if there's anything that you feel that you could jump in on. Obviously, I suggest not jumping in on keywords that are channel names, but you could have a look at online marketing, which seems to be quite high up, how to grow on YouTube, how to grow your channel, and there seems to be a couple of live streaming things. So for me, I would know that you could be having a look at how to grow your channel using live streams, or talking about teaching people how to live stream. You could also go to a competitor's page
all part of the competitor tracking aspect, and click trending. Here I can see on this specific channel, on a specific rival or competitor, what videos they've done and what videos are doing fantastically well right now based on views per hour. So I can see that right now, post photos polls on your community tab, right, that still gets Tim Schmoyer 50 views per hour and has 1.1 million views on that video. Maybe I'd want to update it because the video is 2 years old. So do I see a niche where I could jump in there? Right next to it, there's 22 views per hour and it's 10 ideas for fresh content on your channel. That's 5 years old of a video. I could then have a look at that content, maybe have a look at the tags, see if I could add any useful information to it. But these are the tools that I use to track my competitors, think of video ideas, and generally keep on top of the trends within my industry. And all of it is available via VidIQ.
Now, for more tricks and tips using VidIQ and other tools, there's a playlist here. Remember to subscribe for regular YouTube tricks and tip tutorials, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Goodbye.